Hello, my dear students. Today we will be studying Standard 8 Grammar, Lesson number 1, Parts of Speech. There are total how many parts of speech? There are 8 parts of speech, okay? Let's see which are they. In traditional grammar, a part of speech is a category of words which have similar grammatical properties. In the traditional grammars mean in the past. Parts of speech was a group of words which have similar grammatical properties. Group of words होते थे जिनके properties same होती थी. For example, sitting, writing, sleeping. These are all what? Action words, right? So it is also one group. A part of speech, particularly in more modern classification, may also be called as word class or lexical class. The commonly listed English parts of speech are noun, verb, adjective, adverb, pronoun, preposition, conjunction and interjection. In modern times, part of speech is also called as word class or लेक्सिकल क्लास. वर्ड क्लास और लेक्सिकल क्लास क्या है? पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच के दूसरे नाम है. एंड द 8 पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच आर नाउन, वर्ब, एडजेक्टिव, एडवर्ब, प्रोनाउन, प्रीपोजिशन, कंजंक्शन एंड इंटरजेक्शन. But there is a trick to remember all these parts of speech. For that, we have to remember one sentence, that is, Andrew always carries ice cream near people playing volleyball. And with the first alphabet of each word, we can remember a part of speech, that is, Andrew. First alphabet is A. A for adjective, carries. C for conjunction, near. N for noun, playing. P, preposition, always. A, adverb, eyes, I, interjection. People, P, pronoun, volleyball, we, verb. Likewise, we can by heart name of all the parts of speech. Okay, now let's study all these parts of speech in detail. The first one is adjective. What is an adjective? Adjective describes or qualifies a noun or a pronoun. Adjective क्या करता है? Noun या pronoun को describe और qualify करता है. For example, Priya is a good girl. The underlined word good is adjective. Why it is adjective? Because it is describing the quality of Priya. Priya कैसी लड़की है? Good है, right? So the word is what? Adjective. Look at the second example. She has a beautiful doll. Here, the word which is describing the doll is beautiful. Doll कैसी है? Beautiful है. So adjective is beautiful. Another example of adjective words are mighty, kind, etc. In short, we can say adjective is a describing word. Adjective क्या है? Describing word है. Okay. Next is adverb. What does adverb do? It adds the extra meaning to the verb, adjective or another adverb. वो क्या करता है? Adjective, verb या another adverb को extra meaning देता है. And mostly all the adverbs ends with ly. If any word is ending with ly, then that word is what? Adverb. For example, badly. Bad के आगे हमने ly लगाकर क्या बनाए? Badly. Then badly is what? An adverb. Another example are silently, politely, quickly, etc. Okay. Now read the first example. The servant is treated badly. सर्वेंट को कैसा ट्रीट करते हैं? बैडली. सो इन दिस सेंटेंस वी कैन से दैट बैडली इज एन एडवर्ब. व्हाई इट इज एन एडवर्ब? बिकॉज इट इज ending with ly. This is the first reason, and second, it is giving extra knowledge about servant treatment. Second example is he opposed the team silently. उसने silently team को oppose किया. We can even say that he opposed the team, right? It is also a complete sentence. But how does he oppose? He oppose silently. So the word silently is what? An adverb. And even the word silently is ending with ly. So it is definitely what? An adverb. Now third one is conjunction. What is a conjunction? Word that joins sentences, phrases, words or clause. कंजंक्शन क्या करता है? दो वर्ड्स, सेंटेंसेस, फ्रेजेस या क्लॉज को जॉइन करता है. ग्लू से हम क्या करते हैं? दो चीज़ों को चिपकाते हैं, राइट? इफ वी वांट टू स्टिक टू पेजेस, व्हाट वी विल डू? वी विल यूज ग्लू. So this conjunction also act as a glue to join two sentences, words, phrases or clause. Conjunction words examples are and, but, or, because. Okay, there are many words. Look at example 1. I like cats and dogs. Here the word and is conjunction. Why? Because it has joined two words. Okay, look at the last example. She was sad because her friend was leaving the school. Here the word because is conjunction. Why it is conjunction? Because it is joining two sentences, right? She was sad, sentence 1, and her friend was leaving the school is sentence 2. और इन दो सेंटेंस को कौन से वर्ड ज्वाइन कर रहा है? बिकॉज, राइट? सो सर्च वर्ड्स आर कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? कंजंक्शन. फोर्थ वन इज इंटरजेक्शन. Word used to express some sudden feelings or emotion. Interjection वो words है जो हम हमारे सडन फीलिंग्स को, इमोशंस को शो करने के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हेन वी आर हैप्पी वी से हुर्रे, व्हेन वी आर सैड वी से अलास, व्हेन वी डू समथिंग एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी वी से ब्रावो, इफ समवन डू समथिंग गुड वी से well done. There are many expressions to show emotion. Okay, we always use exclamation mark with our interjection word. Hooray, we have won the tournament. The word hooray is showing emotion. Such words are called as interjection. Okay, look at example 2. Alas, he is no more. Alas is showing what? A sadness. Okay, it is showing our feelings. So such words are called as what? Interjection. Next is noun. It is very easy. We all play game, name, place, animal, thing. All the words used in the game are what? They are noun. So the words used to name a person, place, animal or thing is noun. For example, Mumbai, it is the name of a place. Gold, it is a thing. Sentence example, first one is Mumbai is a huge city. So the underlined word Mumbai. Mumbai is what? A name of a place. So it is a noun. Third example, Ravi is my friend. In this sentence, Ravi is a noun. Why it is a noun? Because it is the name of a person, right? Another example, an elephant is a huge animal. Here, in this sentence, there are two nouns. One is elephant and another one is animal. Elephant is what? A proper noun. Why it is a proper noun? Because it is a proper name given to a particular animal. Whereas animal is a common name as it is a common name given to all the animal. Okay, इस sentence में क्या है? दो noun है, एक elephant एक एनिमल, एलिफेंट क्या है, एक प्रॉपर नाउन है, प्रॉपर नेम दिया हुआ है, जबकि एनिमल तो हम सारे एनिमल्स को एनिमल ही कॉमन नेम है. So understood what is a noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Next is pronoun. Pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. If pronoun किसे कहते हैं? Pronoun ऐसे words है जिन्हें हम noun की जगह use कर सकते हैं. For example, she, they, we, he. Right? She, her is used for feminine gender, whereas he, his is used for masculine gender. They, we, ours, such words are used for plural. I, myself, right? It is used for ourselves. Look at the first example. She ran to her mom. She is used instead of a noun. So she is what? A pronoun. They won the match. In this sentence, the pronoun is they. Seventh one is preposition. It indicates the position of a noun or pronoun and shows the relation of one word with the other. प्रीपोजिशन क्या करता है? वो नाउन या प्रोनाउन की पोजीशन बताता है या दो वर्ड्स के बीच में उनका रिलेशन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई वेंट आउट विथ माई कजिन. हियर द वर्ड विथ इज शोइंग द रिलेशन बिटवीन हैपनिंग्स, राइट? आई वेंट आउट, मैं बाहर गया, पर किसके साथ? विथ माई कजिन. सो हियर द वर्ड विथ इज interjection as it is showing the relation between two happenings. Third example is he slept under a tree. The word under is showing a position of a person who is sleeping, right? He is sleeping under a tree. So the word under is preposition. Another example here are among, near, far, unto, into, etc. Now last one is verb. What is a verb? A verb is a word used to express an action or state of being. In short, we can say that verb is what? An action word. वो हमें noun या pronoun का action बताता है, जैसे कि वो क्या कर रहे हैं वगैरह. Okay? For example, Sachin played well. What action did Sachin do? Played, right? So played is what? Verb. I love to dance. Dance is also what? An action. So dance is verb. Another examples of verb are sang, am, are, is, write, walking, playing, dancing, singing. All the actions which are done are what? Verb. Now look at this last point. Same word used as different parts of speech. Please note that it is the function or use which determines which part of speech a particular words belong to. There are certain words which can be 2 or 3 part of speech. It all depends upon the situation presented in the sentence. एक ही word 2 से 3 parts of speech भी रह सकता है, और ये सब कैसे पता चलेगा? sentence को पढ़ के. okay? sentence का situation determine करता है कि वो कौन सा parts of speech है. Let's see the example of word after. In the first sentence, she takes dinner after her mother. Here the word after is what? A preposition, as it is showing the position. She takes dinner. But when? After her mother. Here the word after is preposition. In the second sentence, he left soon after. He left soon is also a complete sentence, but the word after is added to the sentence to give extra meaning. So it is what? An adverb. Okay. Now third one is he arrived after the function started. Here the word after is joining two sentences, so it is a conjunction. Understood? एक ही वर्ड वो अलग अलग पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच भी रह सकता है, लेकिन हमें सेंटेंस रीड आउट करना है, सिचुएशन को समझना है, एंड देन वी कैन डिटरमाइन विच पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच इट इज. लेट्स सी अनदर एग्जांपल ऑफ वर्ड स्माइल. In the first sentence, she gave me a smile. Here the word smile is a noun. Smile is here a noun. It is an abstract noun, right? In the second sentence, babies smile when they see their mother. The word smile is a verb. Why? Because it is an action which is done by a baby, right? ये स्माइल यहाँ पे क्या है, एक एक्शन है जो बेबी ने किया है, इसीलिए वो एक क्या है यहाँ पे, वर्ब है. अंडरस्टूड? देयर आर मैनी वर्ड्स एंड सच वर्ड्स कैन बी मोर देन 2 or 3 टाइप्स ऑफ पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच. ऐसे कई सारे वर्ड्स है, लेकिन हमें उसको सेंटेंस को रीड करना है, समझना है, देन वी कैन डिटरमाइन इट. Understood? Hope you have understood all the parts of speech. Do write in comment box if you have understood or whether you have not understood. अगर कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, please ask me. Okay? Take care. Bye bye.